It seems like the flavor of the last couple of elections has been early voting. Vote early. It's a lot easier. Look, I know we're a fast food society. I know that we are an on-demand society on TV. Watch what you want, when you want it, just by pushing a button. But that's not the way elections are supposed to be. I started voting in 1970. I haven't missed an election since, and I vote on election day. I want to know everything that's happened up until the day that I cast my ballot. I want to vote on that day that those who came before me fought and died to protect. Elections aren't supposed to be easy. They're supposed to be a right and a freedom that we have. But when something's easy, you don't appreciate it quite as much, do you? Well, I'm going to vote on election day. Early elections are here. I hope you do the same thing. It'll really mean something to you. I'm Mike Sento.